So this is an old galvanised iron roof. It's got lead head nails. Over the years, all the lead head nails are popped, and I'll show you in a minute. They're all sitting up inches above the roof. All the sheet laps, where one sheet laps onto the other, they're all quite soft, so there's a lot of play in it. The wind's rattled them up. Water's sucking up under the laps and getting into the ceiling. There's a lot of surface rust on this roof, and if we don't do something about it pretty much right now, the client will be up for a brand new roof. There's a lot of tree debris in both gutters. They're absolutely full of water, and that water is getting inside the house. So there's a number of issues, but it all can be fixed with a full re-screw, rust converter on the surface rust spots, and a roof restoration. If we paint it, we can knock the surface rust. Then we need to rivet and seal and silicon, and trees need to be cut back. The tree overgrowth's really bad. The tenant complained of moisture inside their ceiling in the main bedroom. The gutters are absolutely choppers. Look at all the lead head nails. There will be some sheets that need replacing. You see a hole in the sheet there. And look at the massive amounts of surface rust. This is really bad, this roof. All of the laps are really soft. There's no sort of screws tying them down to the sheet beside it, and this is the spot over the lounge room where water is getting in, sucking up through these laps. So you can see that sheet over there, how bad that is. There's some lead head nails that are missing, so there's a bit of patchwork that needs to be done. It needs a full re-screw, it needs the gutters cleaned, it needs the trees trimmed back, it needs a roof restoration, it needs a special product called converter to convert that surface rust. And that's the bare minimum you want to do right now, because if you don't do that, you'll be up for a full re-roof on this one. Talk soon.